Hey beautiful people, so I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about the offer that my client just got in the mail, letting them know, hey, don't forget, you still got your pre-approval offer for the Good Sam, which is a Visa credit card, you guys. So this is the pre-approval offer right here, you guys. And don't forget too, we got other results with other clients saying like, oh, I was able to get pre-approved. I believe people was able to get pre-approved for $4,000, $1,000. Some was even approved for $6,000, you guys. So definitely go ahead and stick around for this video, and don't forget too, if you want a copy of all of the places that's in the master credit card list in terms of all these different companies, all these different credit card companies that go ahead and do the shopping cart trick, then go ahead, look down in the description and get my master credit card list. And don't forget too, if you guys have like inquiries or anything and such as like, oh my gosh, Rickita, I got 40 inquiries, I have 20 inquiries, I have my 12-hour inquiry removal. So let's get right on into the video, you guys. Okay, beautiful people, so this is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to make sure that, first of all, you're opting into Factor Trust. So go to factortrust.com, go ahead and opt in. You know, you got to put in all your personal information, but Factor Trust is basically one of the credit bureaus. I believe it's Experian. Maybe I should look it up right after this video so I can know for sure. But Factor Trust is basically the credit bureaus, and when I say opt in, you're basically telling them, hey, I'm in the market to get some credit cards. Can you please let our credit card companies know that I want a credit card? But what they're going to do is they're going to sell your information to these credit card companies. They're like, hey, I need to be a middleman. I need to get some type of benefit out of it. So what they're going to do is they're going to give your information to these credit card companies. So when we go ahead and do this trick, they're going to already know about you. They're going to be happy to give you a credit card. So make sure that you opt into Factor Trust. That's number one, you guys. Now, number two is I want you guys to make sure that you're allowing pop-ups. So when I say allow pop-ups, click the three dots at the top. Go ahead and click settings and put pop. Usually I just put pop in and then it'll pop up in terms, it'll say highlighted pop up. So go ahead, click that and make sure you're allowing pop-ups. Now the next thing I want you guys to do is make sure that you clear your cookies. Now I don't like to clear my cookies like I always tell you guys, I don't want to clear my cookies. And the reason I don't like to clear my cookies, you guys, is when I clear my cookies, it's like, oh my gosh, I gotta go log back into all these different places that I actually have an account with, and I don't want to do that, you guys. I don't want to keep logging in, into these different accounts. So go ahead and clear your cookies, you guys. So you want to allow pop-ups, you want to clear your cookies, and another thing too is when we do this trick, I want you guys to go into incognito. So go into incognito mode, click the three dots at the top, and go into incognito mode. You can just click new incognito window and then put in www.campingworld.com. Now when you're on a Camping World, I already have a pre-recorded video, you guys, so hopefully I'm matching up to what I'm what's actually being done. But I want you guys to find about $200 to $250 worth of items, put it in your cart, right? I want you guys to put it in your cart, and I want you to check out as a guest. Now, the thing is, I want you guys to check out as a guest. I don't want you to sign in, create an account. You don't have to do any of that. I want you guys to check out as a guest. So remember, it's $200, $250 worth of items. Check out as a guest. Now, I have a lot of information blurred because I don't want you guys to see the personal information. But as you put your same information that you put into Factor Trust, remember I told you your personal information you have to put in? You have to put that same information except for your social and your date of birth. So you're going to act like you're just checking out. You're going to put your name, your address, phone number, and email address. And you're going to get that pop-up from them saying, hey, you're pre-approved for the Good Sam Visa. Now, that's really good, you guys. That's what you want. That pop-up is basically saying, hey, you're pre-approved for a credit card. Put the last 4 digits of your social in, and we're going to give you this credit card. Now, that's the pre-approval. Now, I've seen clients say, oh, my gosh, Rickita, I got pre-approved for $4,000 for this account. And look, you guys, look at the letter that the client actually got in the mail. Now, I told you guys, like, when you do this, when you do the pop-up, it's a pre-approval. They want you to get the credit card. Like, they're just begging you to take this credit card, you guys, right? Now, the thing is, usually when I do the shopping cart trick with the Visa credit card, I don't actually get the credit card for the client. They really don't want more credit cards. But since I can still get the pop-ups with them, I make videos for you guys. But they sent them a letter like, hey, don't forget your pre-approved. Just go, call us. We can get you set up or go to our website. So you guys keep this in mind. They want to give you you these credit cards. And don't forget too, I have my master credit card list of over 100 credit cards. I'm actually going to be making that list bigger, and I'm going to be raising the price on that, you guys. So I kind of want to give you an early warning, because I'm going to be creating that store. Now, when I create the store, it's going to be more expensive for the master credit card list, and I'm going to be adding more credit cards to the list. But I suggest you guys get that list now. It's over 100 credit cards, so you'll have all the shopping cart trick credit cards on there. You have the two $5,000 credit cards I always tell clients about to get. Now, the two $5,000 credit cards, they approve almost anybody for these credit cards. Now, I personally got these credit cards. I had got a watch. I wish I could have showed you. I actually got a watch from both of the companies. I don't know. I need to know what time it is, but I don't have it on, so what's the point, right? But I want you guys to get those two $5,000 credit cards, because when you get those two $5,000 credit cards, that's $10,000 added to your credit reports. And my credit score is one of 60 points just from one of them getting added. Not even the second one, but just from the first one, you guys, it went up 60 points. So I always tell clients, if you're trying to build your credit, definitely get the two $5,000 credit cards. And remember too, the shopping cart trick actually is just for those people that, you know, you can't get approved, you know, for regular credit cards. Because if you can get approved for regular credit cards with high limits guaranteed, go ahead and get those credit cards, because I have my inquiry removal. So if you were to apply for a credit card now and you were able to get pre-approved, just work on getting that inquiry removed before it actually pop up on your credit report. So I have my 12-hour inquiry removal down in the description too, you guys. So definitely check that out. And keep this in mind too. With all of these different products, like the inquiry removal, I say 12 hours, but mine was actually deleted in 4 hours. Some clients say 3 hours, some say 6, some say 5. You know, everybody's situation is different, you know, when it comes down to getting the inquiries removed. And when it comes down to doing a shopping cart trick, some people are able to get approved for all of them, plus, you know, even more that's on a list that I don't even make videos for. And some people may only be able to get approved for 3 or 4 of them. But I just want you guys to make sure you have 4 credit cards. So I always say get the two $5,000 credit cards, and then probably do the shopping cart trick to get 2 more credit cards. But don't forget, you guys, I plan to go live every night right after class from like 9 to 10 or like 8:50 to 10. But what I want you to do is make sure that you subscribe to my channel, so when I go live, if you have any questions about anything, don't forget, my biggest thing is I'm a realtor. I help people buy properties. You know, I always tell people about that. So I help people buy properties. I help people fix their credit. So if you have any questions, instead of calling in and getting my assistant, you're like, where's Rickita? Instead of getting my assistant, you can be right here live with me asking any questions that you have, you guys. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you actually get my master credit card list. You get all the credit cards that I'm referring to, so that you can go ahead and get that 750 or higher, you guys. And if you guys have inquiries right now, or you're trying to get credit cards but you're scared of those inquiries, just get the 12-hour inquiry removed. That way you don't have to be nervous about, you know, oh my gosh, is this gonna, you know, is this gonna mess with my credit? Because inquiries can actually drop you, you know, 3 to 10 points. So definitely get that inquiry removal if you don't already have it. And once you have that knowledge, you guys, knowledge is power. Once you already have that knowledge, you're not scared of inquiring anymore. You like, what's up, inquiring? Like, I got y'all. So definitely go ahead and tune into my live. I'll make sure every day I post what time I will be going live, so you'll see it's like a premiere in a way. So definitely stay posted for that, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you ever have any questions, definitely you can always call or text me with the 833 Rickita. So that's my phone number. And I'm going to learn what my actual phone number is. You know, all you have to do is just type it into the keypad. But when you type it into the keypad, I probably can get it for you guys now. When you type it into the keypad, you will be able to see like the actual phone number. So yeah, the actual phone number is 833-742-5482. So let me write that down so I can have it personally. But make sure you guys call or text me if you have any questions. We're definitely going to get back to you. But our hours is 9 to 5 Central Standard Time. So that's the time that we're going to be available to answer any questions. Sometimes if I'm, you know, bored, but I'm not really that bored because I have school, my kids at school. So if I'm bored, if I don't have anything to do, and if I see a text message pop up, I would definitely answer it. But make sure you guys are available for my live videos. And don't forget too, I'm creating a store, which means that all my prices are going up. So I suggest if you're thinking about getting that 12-hour inquiry removal, you know, to learn how to remove those inquiries, get it now, because the price is going up on that. And when it comes down to actually getting the Master Credit Card list, get that now because the price is going up on that. And if you're trying to get credit repair, right now it's only $249 for 6 months. So we're going to be working on your credit for that whole 6 months in terms of removing like those collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, student loans, like anything negative from your credit reports. We're going to work on getting those removed. But do that now because we're going to start going to a monthly, $99 a month. So you guys want to start getting on it now because when the prices go up, it is what it is. And I always get a lot of people that complain. But definitely call or text me if you have any questions, you guys. I'll see you guys tonight if you're going to be watching my live videos.